Hey guys, this is gonna be a fast twin flame video. So listen, I made a few videos about twin flames. And in this video, I want to tell you the secret of twin flames because I don't want you to waste so much time about this topic and I want you to be happy. So maybe in my other videos I came across too hard, and I noticed that due to a lot of comments, and that's okay. Not all of us in the same vibration, not all of us can understand each other, and not all of you will understand what I'm saying now, and that's okay. But when I feel the urge to make a video, I just make a video. So without further explanations, here we go. So we hopefully all of us already understand that we want to live in the now, because God exists only in the now. We want to connect to the present moment and detached from the future and the past, because they are not in the now. And also God is not in the now. So if we want to manifest anything, if you've learned anything about the law of attraction, if you want to manifest something into our life, so we want to connect to the present moment, because the past and the present, thinking about them will create only fear and anxiety within us. And these energies of fear and anxiety will hold back our manifestations. So remember, God is present only in the present moment, in the here and now. So this is why children are able to manifest whatever they want. Right? They look so cute and they ask you for something and you give it to them. But it's not really because they're so cute. It's because they're in the here and now. That's their high energy. But they're also cute, of course. They don't hold resentment and fear about what is going to happen in like 10 years from now. I'm gonna get to the twin flame in a second. So God is the one, is the everything, and it is here and now. We are not disconnected from God. God is not in another realm. It is not in the 5D, it is not in the 9D. It is here, it is now, it is within you. Okay? So now let's talk about the twin flame. The twin flame is a twin, is the duality. It is you and another. It's black and white. It is right and wrong. It is good and bad. And I can go on and on and on. It's twins. And whenever you will think about your twin flame, you will get distracted and confused, because you will be actually distracted from the now, because the duality is your mind, as opposed to God, which is here and in the now, which is not the mind. You see, this is why I said in my other video, if you watched it, that there is no twin flame, because when you go out of this mindset of the duality, then there is no such thing as a twin flame. Because you're here and now, and there is only love, there is no duality. You don't want to be distracted by the past, distracted by the future, distracted by your fears, distracted by tarot reading, distracted by thoughts, distracted by what your twin flame is thinking, if he loves you or not. It doesn't matter. You want to live here and now and do whatever you want and be happy and see what God brings you. And that's it. This is the secret of twin flame. So, where do you want to live? In the duality? Keep being confused for the rest of your life? Living in your mind, waiting for your twin flame? Or live in the now? Enjoying every moment, do what you love and like, and meet your actual twin flame, or your partner, or your lover, or who you're supposed to be with. And as I was saying in my other videos, maybe it is this person that you're thinking about, but without the confusion. Live every day and just let it be. And that's it. It is that easy. It is that easy. Well, I hope this video helped you. I hope this is clearer. And have a good one. Bye.